What if I told you bridges could grow? Welcome to the wonders of Cherrapunji. Nestled in the lush landscapes of Cherrapunji, India, lies a secret marvel, living root bridges. These aren't your typical stone or steel structures. They're ancient bridges grown from the tangled roots of rubber trees, carefully crafted by the indigenous Khasi tribe. Imagine this, it takes decades, sometimes up to 50 years, for these roots to intertwine and form sturdy, walkable pathways. Talk about natural engineering. But here's the kicker, these bridges aren't just sturdy, they're self-repairing. That's right, over the years they grow stronger and more resilient, adapting to their environment. Mother Nature's very own handiwork. So if you ever find yourself in the rain-soaked paradise of Cherrapunji, don't miss the chance to walk on one of these living wonders, a bridge that's as old as time, yet always new. Now, wouldn't that be a journey worth taking? Stay curious, folks, and keep exploring the mysteries of our incredible world.